Transform your studio apartment, best renovation hacks in Dubai. Welcome to Renovation X, where we help you turn compact spaces into extraordinary homes. If you live in a studio apartment in Dubai, you know how challenging it can be to make the most of your space. Maybe you're feeling cramped, uninspired, or like your home doesn't reflect your personality. But here's the good news, your studio has so much potential, and today, I'm going to show you how to unlock it. The biggest mistake I see people make when renovating their apartments is focusing only on aesthetic changes without addressing functionality. You end up with beautiful spaces that just don't work in real life. But trust me, if you plan it right, even a small studio can feel spacious, stylish, and totally functional. I've worked with hundreds of studio owners in Dubai who thought their apartments could never feel luxurious or comfortable. Like Ahmed, he thought his 400 square foot studio was beyond hope, but with a few clever hacks and the right layout, we turned it into a stunning modern oasis. And the best part? He did it on a budget. In this video, I'll share the best renovation hacks for studio apartments, covering everything from smart layouts and space-saving furniture to budget-friendly design upgrades. Whether you're renting or you own your studio, these ideas will help you create a home you love coming back to. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your small space into a functional and stylish apartment, and I'll share a bonus tip that most people overlook, one that can instantly make your studio feel twice as big. Let's get started. Before you start tearing down walls or buying furniture, proper planning is everything. A well-thought-out plan will help you save money, avoid mistakes, and make the most of every square inch of your studio apartment. Step 1. Define your goals. Think about how you use your space. Do you need a dedicated workspace? Are you a foodie who dreams of a better kitchen? Or do you want a cozy sleeping area that feels separate from the rest of the studio? Write down your priorities, these goals will guide all your decisions. Step 2. Smart budgeting. Renovations don't have to cost a fortune, but unexpected costs can add up fast. Set aside at least 10 to 15% extra for surprises. For renters, focus on affordable, temporary upgrades like paint or peel and stick solutions. Homeowners, invest in durable materials that will add long-term value. Step 3. Layout planning. This is the key to making your studio work for you. Start by zoning your space into 4 essential areas: living area, sleeping zone, kitchen/dining space, workspace or storage area. To separate zones without adding walls, think about using multifunctional furniture or clever dividers, like open bookshelves or sleek sliding panels. Let's jump into the exciting part, transforming every corner of your studio with creative and practical solutions. 1. Living and sleeping area. The challenge with studio apartments? Your living room is also your bedroom. Here's how to tackle it. A foldable Murphy bed or a quality sofa bed is a game changer. It allows your sleeping area to disappear during the day, giving you more space to entertain or work. Use area rugs to visually separate your living space from your sleeping zone. It's a low-cost hack with maximum impact. Opt for ottomans, coffee tables, and bed frames with built-in storage to eliminate clutter. Pro tip: add floating shelves or wall-mounted lights to keep the floor clear. This makes the room look bigger instantly. Kitchen and dining space. Kitchens in studio apartments are often small, but that doesn't mean they can't be functional. Install open shelves above counters for extra storage. Use hooks and magnetic strips to organize utensils and tools. Invest in a foldable dining table or bar counter that you can tuck away when not in use. Peel and stick tiles are an affordable, renter-friendly option that can transform your kitchenette in just a few hours. Quick hack: replace heavy cabinet doors with sleek, handle-free designs to create a cleaner, more modern look. Workspace nook. Whether you're working from home or need a creative corner, a small workspace can fit even in the tiniest studio. Use a wall-mounted desk or a narrow, foldable desk that takes up minimal space. Hang a pegboard above your desk to store supplies, photos, or plants. It keeps things organized and visually interesting. Lighting and decor, small changes, big impact. Good lighting and smart decor choices are your best tools for making a studio apartment feel bigger and brighter. Combine ceiling lights, wall sconces, and floor lamps to create a cozy atmosphere. Strategically place large mirrors to reflect light and make your space feel double its size. Use a light, neutral color palette, like whites, creams, and soft grays, to make your studio feel airy and open. Outdoor transformation. If your studio has a balcony, don't let it go to waste. Even a tiny balcony can become an outdoor retreat. Add a compact table and chair set for morning coffee. Use weather-resistant rugs and string lights to create a cozy vibe. Hang planters with low-maintenance plants like succulents or bougainvillea that thrive in Dubai's climate. Money-saving tips. Paint walls, update cabinet handles, or install peel and stick backsplashes to save on costs. Look for second-hand or clearance furniture from local stores or online platforms like Debizzle. Spend on high-quality essentials, like your bed or sofa, but save on decor and accessories. Conclusion and call to action. Thank you for joining us on this studio renovation journey. With the right planning and a few smart hacks, you can transform your small apartment into a stylish, functional space that works perfectly for your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more home renovation hacks.